Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here, using journal entries in QuickBooks Online can be important for certain transactions or situations where other methods of recording transactions may not be suitable. Alright, now let me tell you that journal entries are useful for recording non-routine transactions that do not fit well into the standard forms provided in QBO. Now, for example, if you need to record adjustments, corrections, or unusual transactions, journal entries allow you to do so accurately. Now, for us to be able to do that, you need to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Now, that could be different from the interface that you have, but in my case, I just need to go to New and go to Other and click on Journal Entry. Now, if you need to make adjustments to your financial records for a previous accounting period, journal entries provide a way to do this while maintaining proper accounting practices. Now, this may include correcting errors, reallocating expenses, or adjusting account balance. You can use the journal date and a specified journal number. Now, on the accounts right here, you can customize all of the information, whether you're dealing with multiple entities right here or branches within your organization. Journal entries can be used to record intercompany transactions, transfers, and a lot more between the company. Now, it helps consolidate financial information accurately across the organization. Now, in terms of the information, you can put numbers here, like say 1,020, like 100, it doesn't matter. And you can put some credits here. Say, for example, that's going to be 20, 10, or 50. You can also add some description if you wanted. So that's why journal entries are really good for complex transactions involving multiple accounts or adjustments, because it provides a flexible and customizable way to record the transaction accurately. You can put the name here if you want. So there's a lot that you can do, because journal entries allow you to create custom reports or analyze data in ways that may not be possible using the standard transactions. You can add more lines if you wanted. You can clear all lines. You can send or put a short memo and attach a supplemental information not exceeding the 20 MB file limit. And as you can see, with journal entries offer flexibility and customization, it's important to use them cautiously and understand their impact on your financial records, because improper use of journal entries can lead to errors, misstatements, or inconsistencies in your accounting records. If you are unsure about when or how to use journal entries in QBO, consult with a qualified accountant or a bookkeeper so that they can help ensure you are using them effectively in accordance with the generally accepted accounting principles. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.